Hello, so we need to be able to deal with inequalities on graphs, which basically means when one curve is on top or below another. This is a good example to show that, okay? So with this example first, we need to find the points of intersection of the two graphs. Well, the two graphs are f of x, which is x squared minus 4x minus 12. So then that has to equal g of x, which is 6 add 3x minus x squared. And so if I move the right to the left side, rearrange, I get 2x squared, take away 9x, take away 18 equals 0. So then if I solve by the formula, I get 9 plus or minus the root of minus 9 squared, take away 4 lots of 2 lots of minus 18 over 2 lots of 2. And so that would get me x equals 6 or minus 3 over 2. So those are my x points. So then the coordinates, we need the y. So we're going to sub each x in. So if x is 6, then the y coordinate, let's plug it into here, will be 6 squared, take away 4 lots of 6, take away 12, and that will be y is equal to 0, and then when x is minus 3 over 2, then y will be minus 3 over 2 all squared, take away 4 lots of minus 3 over 2, take away 12, and that will be minus 15 over 4. So therefore my coordinates are 6 and 0, and minus 3 over 2, and minus 15 over 4. Okay. For part B, we need to then find the set of values of x for which f of x is less than g of x. So that tells me that f of x needs to be below g of x. So the curve f of x in black is below g of x, the red curve, in this interval here, in this area, in this region here. So then that region is between the two x values, the two intersections. So that's between minus 3 over 2 x, which is less than 6. So then in set notation, that would be the value x such that, and then copy my inequality, minus 3 over 2 is less than x less than 6. And that is my answer there. And then we got this question. So we're given this cubic here, and we're told the line y is equal to k. That's going to be a completely horizontal line. So remember, y is equal to k would look something like that, a horizontal line. We're told this line intersects the curve once. So if you imagine my ruler as this line y is equal to k, a horizontal line, if I move my ruler up and down, where does it cross the curve? Only once. So hopefully you realise one intersection only, then once it reaches 6 here, then it's 2 intersections, and then after it leaves this maximum here, 2, 8, it goes above that, then it becomes 1 intersection again. Okay, so that means the k, well, my line y is equal to k, my line has to be above this point here. So that would be k has to be above 8, the y value is 8. Likewise, when it's below, when it's 6 here, below the x-axis, then it's 1 intersection again, down here. So that would mean k has to be less than 0, or y less than 0. So those are my two solutions. All k is less than 0. And so in set notation, then that would be the values of k such that k is greater than 8, or we can only have one inequality per set. That's the key idea of set notation. So or we need to use this u symbol, union, or k such that k is less than 0, and that is my answer.